Most entrepreneurs struggle with delegation. They either hold on to everything because they don't trust their team, throw tasks at people and hope for the best. Listen, neither works. If you ever handed something off and then found yourself redoing it later, you didn't delegate, you abdicated. Now here's the difference. With delegation, it means transferring responsibility while keeping visibility. Now abdication means throwing a task at someone and hoping that they're going to figure it out. Good delegation doesn't mean letting go of control. It just means controlling the right things. Now here's how to delegate without losing control. Assign outcomes, not tasks. Bad delegation is, hey, can you do these reports? Good delegation is, I need a weekly report that tracks X, Y, and Z. It should be ready every Monday by 10 a.m. Create clear system. If your process only exists in your head, you're creating future problems. If you can't document it, you can't scale it. Accountability, not micromanagement. Set clear performance benchmarks so your team knows exactly what's expected. If you have a check on everything, you don't have a team, you have assistants. The goal isn't to get things off your plate. It's to build leaders that think like owners. Scaling means replacing yourself, piece by piece, without the business falling apart. Now this week, you'll learn how to get out of the weeds without losing control. Hey guys, thanks for watching the 90-Day Revenue Challenge. Your goals might feel out of reach right now, but they don't have to be. That's why Brad and I built the fraternity. It's a private community of entrepreneurs who are working together to achieve more. We want to push harder and get results faster. You're not meant to do this alone. Click the link in the description. Let's reach those goals together. See you on the inside.